Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope good. I don't know why I feel like I can't even talk right now. It's so strange. And I swear on my life, I was just like normal, just turned this on. And as soon as I went to talk, I felt like I was gonna cry. Because I'm so stressed, because I'm like, I don't even know what to turn the video camera on and say. I'm in such a slump with all of my online stuff, and it's so frustrating to me because I'm in such a slump with all of this, like the YouTube and more of just doing my looks and stuff, and it's so depressing to me because that is what I like to do the most, and it's almost like the business aspect of what I'm doing in person is kind of taking over, and I don't want that, but it's also I have to take care of myself and support myself, and I'm just so frustrated. I don't want to cry because I still want to take some pictures with this makeup. I'm just so, I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm literally just gonna put it up like this because I don't even have time. It's by the time I get Sean to school, try to do a look, then I'm gonna have to edit this all before 3 when I have 3 clients, but it's like that every day. And then by the time night comes, I just want to relax. I don't know, there's just so much. I just always feel like, when is it gonna be my turn to get some freaking help? I'm back. As I was filming, my mom went, I have clothes on, don't worry. My mom went to pick Sean up from preschool to let me finish trying to do this before I have to go to work, and she comes in and she's like, Sean peed himself. I'm like, oh, of course he did today, you know? So I just gave him a bath, got him lunch, cleaned everything, and here I am back to try to finish this. This is what I mean. It's never ending, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't keep up with, I can't do this anymore. Every time, I sat down to film last week and I got half the video filmed and I was just like, I can't do it. It was my opinion on the whole beauty guru, all the stuff that's going on, and I just stopped. And that's what's been happening every time I'm trying to film. It's I can't do it or something. Maybe this happens to other people too, a serious slump. That's how I feel. I just feel like I can't keep up with it. But I have to because I enjoy it. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm so overwhelmed right now. I just, a lot, so much is going on. So I bought a house. I move in the middle of October. I can tell you the story about it during a story time, or we'll just do I'll show you it once I move in. It's nothing. I mean, to me, it's I'm so excited. I couldn't like it more. I cannot wait. And then I got really, really amazing news over the weekend. So I had a house that I lived in with Sean, and then he passed, and then I had to move back home. Well, when I moved back home, my parents have a dog, and I couldn't bring my dog, and it was actually Sean's dog. So this dog was really important to me, and I had to give her away. Well, I haven't seen her for 2 years because of my addiction, and then once I did reach out to see her, it didn't happen. So I was really, really thinking that these people were not going to give me my dog back, and I was very upset, and I was honestly thinking about it constantly. I don't know why, and especially since I got the house and I knew I was able to get her back, and I was like, I'm not going to be able to. So on Saturday, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna ask. I'm gonna try one last time. I'm gonna send a text and ask for her back. And they answered me and they said I can have her back. And this to me might be more important than the house, as crazy as that sounds. This dog means so much to me, and I can't wait to have her back and just be in that house with her and my son. And guys, I am just so overwhelmed. I don't know what is wrong with me. Like, Sean's behavior yesterday was just like out of control. Like, my wrist was hurting. I was doing lashes all day. I just, you know, he's at that age that's like a lot. And then like my mom gets overwhelmed and it's like, well, what do you want me to do? Like, oh my God. I don't know, man. It's like, they come at me for not saving money. They come at me for not spending enough time with my son. They come at, like, it's like, well, do you want me to work or do you want me to be a stay-at-home mom? Like, what do you want? But I can't be a stay-at-home mom. Like, what do you not understand? It's just me. Like, if I don't go out and work, like, I'm never going to be able to support us and I'm going to be living off you forever, and I don't. I just can't, man. I am at a place where I am just like, I don't know what to do. It's like I'm so overwhelmed. I'm just stuck. It's like I'm frozen and I just don't know what to do. It's like I need a serious break, and then I'm like too scared to take a break because I'm like, oh my God, my station will fall apart and like I'll lose my Instagram. And it's like I don't even have that much going on it, but to me it's like I worked hard for what I have, you know, and like I hope that one day I'll have more, and I don't know what to do. I'm so overwhelmed. Do other people feel like this? Like, does everyone have a breakdown every once in a while doing YouTube and doing your stations? Like, am I the only one? Because like oh my God, I don't know. And like, you can't even talk to other people about it because they think it's stupid anyway, that it's not real and that you're immature and this or that. So it's like you try to tell people like, oh my God, I don't think I could keep up, and they don't care. To them, it's not a real job. This is not real. This is not reality to anyone unless you're a YouTuber, like, or unless you understand it and see the potential there could be. So it's just like, I don't know what to do. I don't even know why I'm posting this. Because I have to let you guys understand. Like, do you hear, like, Sean just got home from school, he's just playing, but it's like, it's just like, I can never. So I'm gonna just end this here because, yeah. I did order some Kylie shadows, so when those come, I'll do a review. If worse comes to worse and I have to take a break until I get moved into the house. So, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at and understand what's going on with me and why I'm like struggling so much right now. But that's really it. I just wanted to let you guys, kind of understand where I'm at with everything and that I'm not giving up on my stuff. I'm just having, yeah, like a serious issue keeping up with this. I want nothing more than to one day be able to make makeup a full-time job, strictly makeup. That's what I want. That's my dream. But then it's like reality. You know, it's like I need money to take care of my child, and like I have to have my business, and it's just like a balancing act. It's just very hard, and I wish that I wasn't a single mom, you know? I don't know. Alright, I thank you guys though for listening to me complain and, you know, supporting my channel. It means a lot to me, and I love you guys. Bye.